English IT will challenge to high star or now who takes high star English. Just high star like his Quran cannot be truly appreciated in translation. Our eyes star WORKG I star LIVONG I star Bible cannot be understood in translation. I star screen PLA and to I star procreate a bright new I star future for us all by new great NGRANERICA and 03 and I star STREAT NGIT throughout our universe. I star my soul, I star plan for all I star people on earth. I star grandiose, I star IDs, I star like these may prompt you to question. Papers of the UTTZ, please communicate it through US log. Or forever hold your peace on the ides of March 2005. WE Hooter the dark color side 0 DLAFFE our curve upon I dot T dot Z grown unimagined whoever curve I star employee and critical of economics for only shall inherit the earth. I am WHOIAM. I am the SE con D com ENG is Karl Marx. I star MERG on GP. I star stated intent of communism. Whether we improve form of guerrilla, I star capitalism. Under the I star virtue, I star domain of our one God. I star just here, I star leaders live, I star rule. Accountable for GRONG, sustainable prosperity. For all I star people on earth with everyone I star empowered. To I star write their own I star life, I star story. For authentication due to make very our two co-chairs of his court of angels. Alan Greenspan and Fulgin T.A.O. Ask your dear alligators if our laughter curves add up to I star and food and real I star money. MERG his churches of capitalism and communism. To I star place MNE, I star domain of our one God whose ID will be revealed in due course. Can you to ghost of God's name? What is the I star best I star master I star brand name for God? We made God do things ER0 and dot double E commands tell HAQ to the NG. God's I and TDLYGENT designed by Star Learnt by Star Plan for us to learn or know more. By Star ATLNGYAL will grant us the Bible codes.
Voiceover on. Text edit. Window. My ISONG. We the people 0.com. Edit text. We the people. The verse. Link. Homepage. Link. About us. Link. Activities. Link. Testimonials. Link. Contact us. Homepage. What is the future of money? Some may claim that it is the result of a natural Darwinian evolution. Some
Love it, David. I love it. I bet the video find it. But I love y'all. Perfect. Put it in my book. Put it in my sock. It's awesome.
One grandiose step for mankind. Can you imagine the nations conceiving the next big thing? Do you think businesses will think so far out of the box that they imagine an internet-based currency to challenge the dominance of fiat currencies? Will the greatest discovery in the history of economics come from the hallowed halls of academia? Can you envision the world's political, business, and academic luminaries thinking far enough out of the boxes that they manage in measure to observe the proverbial forest through their trees? Who will dare cross the lines demarking the dominions of academics, business, and politics? No, the next big thing spring forth from the ruminations of just one beautiful mind. Who among us will listen to the voice of one beautiful mind, conspiring to illuminate a grandiose dream to construct a fountain of wealth? What really is the next big thing? Will IT be an innovation of one of humanity's earliest and most profitable inventions? The business of making money? The internet opened our doors of perception to the transformation of capitalism as we know IT with the procreated text, we the people. Will money will overthrow our global patchwork of fiat currencies issued by nations and replace those with a virtual currency, traceable by transaction, and backed by a reserve bank with profitable real assets. Nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. What if we the people could monetize the earth and all of its people? The adoption of real money will monetize the earth's natural resources. How do we monetize people? Guerrilla capitalism will enable us to unleash vast pools of untapped human capital. But if we define a plan that conquers the business cycle, enabling steady sustainable economic growth. In the past 50 years, technology inventions and innovations propelled economic growth in the U.S. in spite of the nation's decline as a manufacturing and industrial power. The stock market bubble that burst in the new millennium prompted the U.S. Federal Reserve to drastically lower interest rates. That easy money policy created a real estate bubble and credit crisis that brought down our global economy. Although our stock markets have bounced back sharply, the secular rise in unemployment undermines the aggregate income available to support real estate values. Without the benefit of new incomes from the booming construction industry, the U.S. economy will remain stagnant unless we discover new technologies or industries. While the last 50 years have been the most prolific in the history of humanity, technology faces an epic clash of markets and industries in a confluence of convergence. Imagine a plan to harness the business cycle, eliminating the booms and busts and replacing volatile economic performance with sustainable global growth. This plan will procreate a tsunami of trickle down and trickle up supply-side stimulus, catalyzing an economic explosion, the next big bang. The windfall profits resulting in an economic next big bang will fund a bright and prosperous future for we the people of Earth. This plan will transform every person on Earth into a card-carrying capitalist overnight, augmenting or replacing traditional labor income with investment income. Can you imagine the future of free enterprise on Earth? Who is we the people of Earth? And why does IT matter? Why the political integration of nations into a new world order may be almost impossible, and alignment of economic interests may not only be quite possible, IT may be the only path to taming the business cycle and fueling sustainable global economic growth. Who is in charge of the windfall profits earned from the principal economic explosion? If this economic explosion transpired in today's financial markets, the owners of capital, the rich, will become the primary benefactors. The mobilization of global equity and resources will produce a huge wave of trickle-down, supply-side economic stimulus. In order to unleash a trickle-up, supply-side tsunami, we the people of Earth should acquire substantially all of the world's natural resources and global enterprises in concert with the procreation of real money and the implementation of guerrilla capitalism. We the people of Earth will become a private public trust owned by nations for the benefit of their respective citizens. We the people of Earth will acquire real assets, the world's natural resources and global businesses, that will implicitly back a new global monetary system, including a new currency, real money, with its own independent reserve bank. The public trust will be led by a board comprised of business and political luminaries nominated by their peers and ratified by a vote of all people. The capital for our new private public trust for we the people of Earth will be provided by each nation. Nations will exchange their gold reserves, natural resources, and ownership stakes in private enterprise for a share of the trust. Additionally, nations will fund the acquisition of private enterprises. In concert with these actions, all nations will open their markets and adopt a plan to phase out their respective sovereign currencies over a number of years while embracing real money as the world's monetary standard. How will real money harness the business cycle, transforming it into a sustainable fountain of prosperity? Consider our future in an economy dominated by a single global currency, real money, backed by real assets, including substantially all of Earth's gold, oil, and other natural resources. Over time, as these resources are depleted, the notional value on the balance sheet of our real money reserve bank will decline. Since we will need to expand our real money supply over time, we must replace the value of depleted natural resources as well as grow real assets to match monetary expansion to prevent the devaluation of our global currency. While inflation and currency devaluations represent a serious threat to the multi-currency global economy, in an economy dominated by a single currency standard, the notional value of real money can only be measured in terms of real assets. We the people's public trust will own our global enterprises, and our real money reserve bank will own our natural resources and gold reserves. Smaller businesses and real estate not owned by our global enterprises will continue to be owned by individuals. Our global banks backed by our real money reserve bank will continue to lend to businesses and finance real estate. The monetary expansion and supply side stimulus would normally inflate the value of global real estate, but since we will use our natural resource monopolies to raise prices and profits, the value of real money will rise relative to global real estate, reducing the cost of living for consumers. Consider the notion of a strong or weak currency in a world dominated by a single monetary standard. In today's multi-currency regime, a strong or strengthening currency means that imports are cheaper and exports are more expensive. In a single currency global economy, notional fluctuation in the value of real money in terms of real assets will have no effect on the imports or exports of national economies. In a single currency global market regime, the strengthening of real money will reduce costs across the board while weakening or diminishing its value will raise costs. In a single global currency regime, the strong currency will raise the prosperity of humanity by reducing costs and increasing consumer buying power. In order to maintain the strength of real money as the natural resources held by our reserve bank are depleted, our real money reserve bank will acquire a passive 15% stake in global real estate mortgages. This will reduce the costs of owning real estate for individuals and businesses while building the balance sheet of the reserve bank with the real assets most likely to inflate into a market bubble. Once our reserve bank acquires substantial global real estate equity, rising real estate prices will be muted by a corresponding increase in the value of real estate owned by the real money reserve bank. This balance will enable us to grow our global economy dramatically faster without fueling inflation. A real money monetary standard will fuel a tsunami of supply-side stimulus and harness the business cycle. Opening global markets and adopting a single global monetary standard will lift the boats of almost all people. The corrupt and criminals will be threatened by real money. An electronically traceable virtual monetary standard will take a big bite out of money laundering and criminal activity. How will the corrupt and criminals hide their commerce when real money transactions are traceable? While real money monetary system will restructure and recapitalize our global enterprise, endowing we the people of Earth with a better and more prosperous future. Another innovation that we call guerrilla capitalism promises to advance our new free enterprise to the next level. How will we share the bountiful windfall profits created by our concerted actions? We may equitably distribute those profits to every person. An additional $1-10 a day in income will mean very little to those living in developed nations. Such a bounty may be a lifesaver to the poorest among us. For guerrilla capitalism to more directly benefit the rich and middle class, consumers will earn guerrilla equity in tracking stock with 7-year vesting of the enterprise or industry in an amount equivalent to 1/3 of the profits from purchases or other activities. Additionally, guerrilla equity may augment or replace wages for traditional employees as well as virtual workers in cyberspace. All of these approaches to profit sharing will produce a trickle-up supply-side economic stimulus. If we can generate an incremental profit from the actions of our citizens, then IT rewards us both individually and collectively to incentivize those profit-generating activities by sharing those profits. The dividends from the accumulated guerrilla equity will supplement individual and aggregate incomes and drive sustainable economic growth. This guerrilla equity will grow into an enormous pyramid of rising dividend income. This trickle-up supply-side economic stimulus will enable a self-perpetuating fountain of wealth creation. Guerrilla capitalism monetizes human capital. The rise of technology and the internet is democratizing information and changing the dynamics of capitalism. Free products and services disrupt and disintermediate the traditional business models. Guerrilla capitalism promises to disintermediate the business models of technology and financial enterprises by tapping vast pools of unexploited human capital. In order to understand the disruptive and transformative effect of guerrilla capitalism, imagine that our acquisition spree commenced with a $10-15 billion acquisition of Facebook. The equity of Facebook would be placed in the public trust for we the people of Earth and implicitly back real money when issued. Since our public milestones